Markets actually snapped the 3 day winning streak in today's session. And as we know, it was weekly expiry as well, so the volatility was pretty high. Nifty ended below the 18,700 mark, whereas the Sensex fell almost little over 300 points in today's session. It was mainly the financials which were a drag. However, an interesting move that we witnessed with regards to the pharma majors, specifically the hospital counters as well. So the likes of Fortis, Apollo, some smart moves coming in there on the back of a brokerage note with these names. Moving on, if you see in terms of the broader markets, clearly you had the mid cap index which saw gains of around 3/10 of a percent, whereas the small cap index ended pretty much flat. In fact, clearly the bank nifty actually underperformed the benchmark indices in trade today. The analysts are of the opinion that this consolidation is something that will continue. There is good amount of resistance that the markets have been facing, and there is an absolute possibility. I would say that we would not probably see life high levels in terms of Nifty 50 in the current expiry. That's what one of the analysts that I was talking to indicated as well. Let's quickly look at the top gainers: Apollo Hospitals, Divis Laboratories, DRL, Cipla, as well as BPCL. These were the top gainers in trade today, whereas on the losing end, you had a Hero Moto, Indices, Wipro, SBI, as well as Kotak. Talking about the newsmakers, you have Titagar Wagon and BHEL, who signed a 24,000 crore rupee contract. So both these counters were in focus. GR Infra Projects was in focus on the back of an order win. Apart from that, Patanjali, BCL India, as well as AWL were in focus because the Ministry of Food and Public Distribution have said that the consumers will pay 5% less for edible oils. Cochin Shipyard, again on the back of an order win, saw good moves. Godrej Properties has announced an acquisition of land parcel for a luxury project in Kolkata, saw some good moves. SJVN on the back of an energy deal actually jumped to a 6-month high, as well as Warren Beverages saw smart gains as it was record day of the on terms of the face value split as well. So overall, a lot of movers and shakers in trade today, but the consolidation in markets is something that the street is watching out for.